Hey everybody, in this video we're just going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing, opening up the electronics master kit and showing you what's inside. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, it's heavy. I'm going to go ahead and set it down, take the plastic off of here. Alright, so as you see, it comes in a briefcase style case. It's got combination locks on the top, so I can show this, feet on the bottom, so if you're going to set it down to open, have it oriented this way, go ahead and pop it open. Just like most combination locks, you can just, while the case is open, you push these in, set the combination, close it, and it'll remember it and it's set there. There's a nice little Pro'sKit hanger tag kind of gift you can put on there. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look at what's all in here. We're going to go ahead and just take the top pallet out first and start with that. Okay. We've got a big pair of basically lineman's pliers, very useful tool to have around, good for gripping, cutting, bending wire, all that good stuff. Since this is an electronics kit, you're going to have some good soldering equipment here. So it's a nice size desoldering pump. You have a small slip joint plier, brush for, again, if you're cleaning off circuit board or something, need to get debris out of the way. A little parts tube. You got some flush cut with strippers in the head. So yeah, a little pair of flush cutters and a couple pre-sized holes for stripping or, again, maybe bending wire. We've got some bent nose pliers, needle nose pliers, straight nose. Your utility knife with segmented blade, nice, pretty heavy one too, good and kind of rugged design. Pull it out and change the blades there. Another pair of long nose pliers, a little bit larger than this other pair. So you see you got two sides of long nose pliers. Here is a multi-tool for crimping and stripping. It will do insulated red, blue, yellow terminals. It's got bolt cutter, non-insulated crimper, and then wire stripping. It looks like 10 to 22 gauge. So pretty convenient tool, all those functions in one. Alright, and there's a little storage pouch here too, so whatever you need to keep in there. Move that out of the way, and on to the next pallet. We have a little solution bottle. Unbutton that. That's cool. The bottom pallet buttons in place, keeps it from moving around too much. Alright, here we have our screwdrivers. We have 3 flatheads, 3 Phillips, and another small pocket-sized flathead. And this one, this is one of the electrical testing screwdrivers as well. So there's a little fuse and light element in there as well. Okay, then we also have a pinchiometer trimmer, or alignment tool as it's called in the kit. Soldering aid set, little picks, steel brushes, flatheads, pretty common little soldering aid set. You have your inspection mirror, extendable telescopic inspection mirror. You have a needle file set, so it comes with 5 needles of different shaped heads. You have your IC extractor, heat sink, little heat sink clip. You have a pair of reverse action tweezers. So stays in the closed position, push, open them up, reverse action. A little parts grabber. A pair of scissors. A 10-foot measuring tape that's got both metric and inch imperial. It comes with a tube of solder. This is, solder wire, 63%. And a foldable hex key set. It's pretty convenient. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different size hex. And we have a roll of electrical tape and a desoldering wick. Alright, so that's that pallet. Now what's in the bottom here? We have a standard heavy duty claw hammer. It's got some weight to it as well, nice rugged hammer. Larger pair of slip joint pliers, so earlier we had the small one. So these are slip joint, and this is just the adjustable wrench. You have your soldering iron here, and it comes with the tip already installed. This just comes with like a pencil style tip, but we do have other tips available if you need like a chisel tip or something as well. You have your stand for your sponge and to hold the solder, or the soldering iron. And you have a pack of double-ended wrenches. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 wrenches in here. It looks like they range from about a size 8 up to a 19 metric. And what do we have in here? Oh, flashlight, LED flashlight, I believe. Yep, LED, nice little LED flashlight. You got another stubby Phillips head driver and a stubby flathead driver. There's also a small precision screwdriver kit, so all these are going to be, the small profile swivel head style screwdrivers. Looks like they have 3 Phillips, number 1 through 00, and 3 flatheads, 2.4 to 1.4. And they're all color coded, so you can easily identify them when you grab them. And last but not least, there is a double-sided component storage box. And there's also dividers for the kit as well, so if you want to rearrange it, add some other stuff, you can rearrange how these dividers are set up. That's everything. That's the Electronics Master Kit by Pro'sKit. Pretty robust kit for anyone who does electronics repair. Thanks for watching.